Welcome fellow woodworkers to our in-depth guide of the best Grizzly Thickness Planners. We have handpicked and truly tested a range of Grizzly Thickness Planners to help you find the perfect tool for your woodworking needs. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, we have got you covered. So let's dive in and explore these fantastic machines that are sure to take your woodworking projects to the new heights. At the first position of our list, we have Grizzly G0505 12-half-inch thickness planner. Introducing the Grizzly G0505 12-half-inch thickness planner, a woodworking powerhouse that promises precision and performance. Crafted by Grizzly, a renowned name in the industry, this thickness planner boasts a sturdy construction and a host of features that will elevate your woodworking projects to the next level. At the heart of this machine is a robust 2 HP motor that effortlessly handles even the toughest of wood materials. The 12-half-inch width capacity ensures you can work with various board sizes, making it a versatile tool for any woodworker. The 2-blade cutter head slices through wood with precision, leaving a smooth, flawless finish. One standout feature of the Grizzly G0505 is its adjustable bed rollers and extensions, providing excellent support and stability throughout the planning process. Whether you are working on hardwood or softwood, this planner ensures consistent thickness and minimal snip. The built-in dust port efficiently collects and removes wood chips and dust, keeping your workspace clean and ensuring a healthier working environment. Additionally, the safety features such as the thermal overload protection enhances the user's peace of mind. In conclusion, the Grizzly G0505 12-half-inch thickness planner is a must-have for serious woodworkers seeking precision and reliability. Its exceptional build quality, powerful motor, and user-friendly features make it an excellent addition to any workshop. Moving on to the next number 2 with Grizzly G1033Z 20-inch 5-horsepower thickness planner. Enter the Grizzly G1033Z, a 20-inch thickness planner packing a formidable 5-horsepower punch. When it comes to handling large and demanding woodworking projects, this beast from Grizzly Industrial truly shines. The Grizzly G1033Z is a professional-grade thickness planner that can effortlessly tackle even the most challenging woodworking tasks. Its massive 20-inch width capacity allows you to work with wide boards, and the 5 HP motor provides the raw power needed for precision thicknessing. This planner features a helical cutter head with 4-sided carbide insert, ensuring clean, tear-out-free cuts every time. The variable feed speed control allows you to tailor the planning process to the specific wood you are working on, ensuring optimal results. Precision and convenience are taken to the next level with the digital height readout, allowing you to set your desired thickness with incredible accuracy. The cast iron construction of the planner adds stability and durability, ensuring this tool will last for years to come. In terms of dust management, the Grizzly G1033Z excels with its built-in dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean and your lungs free from dust particles. For professional woodworkers who demand nothing but the best, the Grizzly G1033Z 20-inch 5-horsepower thickness planner is a top-tier choice that will undoubtedly meet and exceed your expectations. The number 3 position is held by Grizzly Industrial G1033X 20-inch 5 HP thickness planner. In the world of woodworking, precision and power go hand in hand, and the Grizzly Industrial G1033X 20-inch 5 HP thickness planner exemplifies this beautifully. If you are in search of a thickness planner that can handle large and demanding projects with ease, your search might just end here. At the core of the G1033X is a robust 5 HP motor that provides an impressive amount of muscle for your planning needs. The 20-inch width capacity opens up a world of possibilities for working with wide boards and panels, making it a go-to tool for professionals. One of the standout features of this planner is its helical cutter head with carbide inserts. This design ensures not only clean and precise cuts but also reduced tear out, leaving your woodwork looking flawless. The digital height readout allows for ultra-precise adjustments to your desired thickness, making your woodworking projects even more professional. The G1033X's cast iron construction enhances stability and durability, ensuring that this machine will serve you for years to come. Additionally, the dust collection system efficiently removes wood chips and dust, keeping your workspace clean and safe. For professional woodworkers who demand top-notch performance, the Grizzly Industrial G1033X 20-inch 5 HP thickness planner is a wise investment that will take your woodworking to the next level. Next at number 4 we have Grizzly G1021X2 15-inch 3 horsepower thickness planner. When it comes to quality and precision in a compact package, the Grizzly G1021X2 15-inch 3 horsepower thickness planner is a top contender. Designed for woodworkers who need a reliable and efficient thickness planner for smaller to medium-sized projects, this Grizzly offering delivers in spades. Equipped with a robust 3 HP motor, the G1021X2 provides ample power for planning various wood types and thicknesses. The 15-inch width capacity offers versatility while still maintaining a manageable size for your workshop. The clutter head on this planner features 3 high-speed steel knives, delivering clean and consistent cuts. Adjusting the thickness is a breeze with the conveniently located hand wheel, ensuring precision without the need for complicated setup. The G1021X2's cast iron constructions ensure stability and durability, and its compact footprint makes it a great choice for smaller workspaces. While it may not be as large as some other models, it still boasts a dust collection port to help keep your workspace clean and safe. For woodworkers who prioritize performance and reliability in a compact form factor, the Grizzly G1021X2 15-inch 3 horsepower thickness planner is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Finally, the number 5 position is held by Grizzly Industrial G0890. The Grizzly Industrial G0890 is a game-changer in the world of woodworking machinery, offering a comprehensive solution for your planning needs. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this thickness planner has something special to offer. Featuring a robust 3 HP motor, the G0890 provides ample power to handle a wide range of wood types and thicknesses. Its 15-inch width capacity allows you to work with various board sizes, making it a versatile choice for woodworking projects of all scales. One of the standout features of this planner is the spiral cutter head with indexable carbide inserts. This design ensures clean, tear-out-free cuts while reducing the needs for frequent blade changes. The digital height readout simplifies thickness adjustments, making it a breeze to achieve precise results. Constructed with durability in mind, the G0890 boosts a heavy-duty cast iron frame for stability and longevity. The built-in dust collection system efficiently removes wood chips and dust, keeping your workspace clean and safe. For woodworkers seeking a versatile and dependable thickness planner that can handle a variety of tasks, the Grizzly Industrial G0890 is an excellent choice that delivers on performance and convenience. Thank you for tuning in to our comprehensive guide on the best Grizzly thickness planners. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your quest for the perfect woodworking tool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and woodworking tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content.